In this video, we will show you how to replace your hood lift support on this Lincoln Navigator. You're going to have two of them, one on each side of the hood. The process will be the same for either. Let's get into it. Okay friends, it's time to get started on our job. Something that's important to mention is as you're taking this out of place, you want to make sure you have somebody helping you hold the hood up so it doesn't come falling down on you. Now with that said, this can be easily replaced with one small tool, a pocket screwdriver. We're going to carefully get in between this area. You'll find that you have a metal clip. Force it right inside there and gently pry it off. Now you can pull that off of the hood. Give it a quick inspection and do the exact same thing on the bottom of the shock. There it is, friends. Okay friends, let's get ready to install our lift support. Make our way down to the body of the vehicle here and press it into place. Once you hear a click, go ahead and give that a wiggle to make sure it's completely secure. Follow it all the way up to where it connects onto the hood. At this point, you can make an adjustment with the top here. By turning it counterclockwise, you can adjust the height. We'll bring this back down to its original position. Now at this point, I'll go ahead and press this into the hood. Give it a wiggle to make sure that's secure. As I had mentioned at the beginning of the video, the process is the exact same thing for either side of the vehicle. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.